Hello, my dear children. Welcome to today's class. So, what are we learning about? Today, we will be learning about different people that we meet on daily basis around our houses in our localities. And thus, this is our chapter number 3, People in Our Neighborhood. So, when we go out, it's not only our parents or our friends that we meet. We meet a number of people doing a number of work. So if you go to school, there is a driver who is driving your bus. There is a conductor who is helping you to board or deboard the bus. There's a teacher who is teaching you. Then there are maids, there are didis and bhaiyas helping you in school when you go to the washroom. At your home, your locality, your house, your society is being guarded by a watchman. When you are sick, we go to doctor. Then there are policemen who protects us from thieves and burglars, right? So there are so many people around us. Postman delivers our letters at our place. So there are so many people apart from our friends and family who are working for us day and night to make our life easier. So let's study about them. Different people working around us. We see different people in our neighborhood. Some people come to work around us and some people help us in different jobs. They sell fruits, vegetable, grocery, food, etc. to earn money. So, there are some people in our neighborhood who comes every day to sell us the things which we need in our house, like fruits, vegetables, groceries. And some people like doctors, policemen, watchmen, they help us in other ways. They give their services to us to help us in other ways. They treat us or they protect us, they guard us. So they render us services, okay? And some people sell different things to which we need in our houses. So work different people do. So let's see what different people do in different areas. So a teacher teaches us at school. So who is a teacher? A teacher is someone who teaches at school. Some people wear uniform when they go to work, like you do when you come to school. So some people, when they go out for their work, they have a particular uniform that they have to wear every day to the work. People wearing a uniform to their work are nurses, policemen, pilots, armed forces, etc. What does a policeman do? A policeman protects us. A watchman guards our houses at night or even at day. A doctor treats our diseases in a hospital. They also guard hospital, parks, buildings, etc. Who? The watchman. Now, what does a carpenter do? A carpenter makes furniture for us. What does a baker do? Baker bakes delicious cakes and cookies. So the delicious cakes and cookies that you eat, it is being baked by a baker. A cobbler makes shoes or mends our shoes. What does a barber do? Barber gives us a haircut. So whenever you need a haircut, where do you go? You go to a salon and the person who is cutting your hair is called a barber. A sweeper keeps roads and buildings clean. A domestic helper helps in doing household chores. So household chores who comes to our house every day or remains in our house, stays in our house, that is our house help. And when you go on the road and when people litter around, who cleans it? A sweeper cleans it. So we should not litter around. A fruit seller sells fruits and a postman brings our mails and parcels to our house. So this is about the different people whom we meet on everyday basis, and they make our life easier by doing something or the other for us in our lives. What do we call a person who clicks our photographs? So when we are in parties, when we are in functions, marriages, there is a person who has a camera in his hand and keeps on clicking pictures of everyone. That person is called a photographer. Photographer. And what do we call a person who plays roles in TV shows, movies and plays? The person is called an actor. Respecting people around us. So whatever anyone is doing, whether it's a watchman or a doctor or a house help or a TV actor or a photographer or a driver or a conductor, no job is big or small. We should respect everyone around us. So we should always respect all people around us. All people are important. All works are important. So just imagine if there will be no barber, who will cut your hair? If there will be no cobbler, who will make your shoes? If there will be no vegetable seller, fruit seller, from where would you buy the fruits? We should respect every person no matter what work that person does for a living. All work have the same value and are equally respectful. Yes, so please remember that and do not disrespect anyone. What does uniform mean? Uniform is the same set of clothes worn by people at a place. So, like you children are, whatever the strength is, 20, 30, all of you are wearing same kind of uniform in the school, same kind of clothes in a school. So that is why it is called a uniform. And this kind of uniform is worn by different people in different jobs. Delicious means very pleasing to taste. Also remember that there are many people around our neighborhood. They do different things to earn a living. All works have the same value and importance. We should respect all people doing any kind of work for living. Alright, let's complete this exercise. I teach in school. You have to give one word for the following. You have to tell who are they. I teach in a school. I am a teacher. I guard the borders of India. I am a soldier. I operate upon sick people. I am a doctor or surgeon. I treat the cavities in your teeth. I am a dentist. I sell medicines. I am a chemist. I keep the roads clean. I am a sweeper. You have to write the names of 5 such people who wear uniforms to their work. So nurses wear uniform, soldiers wear uniform, policemen wear uniform, postman wear uniform. Who else wears uniform? A lawyer wears a uniform. Alright? Now you have to answer the following questions in your notebook yourself. We can discuss here it in short. Who is a sweeper? A person who keeps the roads clean is called a sweeper. Who is a carpenter? A person who makes furniture for us is a carpenter. Who is a cobbler? A person who makes and mends shoes is called a cobbler. What does a fireman do? A fireman extinguishes fire breakout in a building. How does a policeman help us? Policeman protects us from thieves and burglars. Who guards our colonies, buildings and malls? A guard, a watchman guards our colonies, building and malls. Now, these are some fun-based questions which you can do yourself with your family, with your friends and have fun with the chapter. You have to make a list of the people who help you in making things easy for you in your house. So there are some hints given that when your fan is not working, whom do you call? We call an electrician. Who do you call when a tap leaks? We call a plumber. Then also carpenter helps us if we need to get any new furniture made. Then our house help us in getting our house chores done. Then you have to make a list of people who help you in school. Conductor and driver help you to reach the school safely by bus. Your teacher teaches you in school. The didis and bhaiyas, that is the maids, they actually help you in going from one classroom to another or in the washrooms. The watchman of the guard and the watchman at the gate of the school protects the school from any stranger entering inside the school premises. Now these are some pictures and you have to recognize these pictures, that which community helper is it. For example, the first one is the carpenter. Rest you are going to identify yourself. Now there are some fun riddles over here. You can just ask these riddles from your friends and see how much do they know. I am green, but when you cut me, I am red. You eat me in the summertime, I am a fruit. Who am I? So I'll tell you this one. This is a watermelon. I am a fruit, but often people think I am a vegetable. I am squishy and red, and I am used to make ketchup and spaghetti sauce. Who am I? I am a tomato. I am brown and fuzzy on outside but green on inside. I can be sour and you can eat me with a spoon when you cut me in half. Who am I? I am a kiwi. All right. So these are the pictures of some of the very famous personalities. Please take help of your parents and your teachers. Identify which famous personalities are these. I'll do the first line for you. This is Amitabh Bachchan ji. This is Sri Lata Mangeshkar ji. This is Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. And this is a famous choreographer, Remo D'Souza. Alright, so please identify the rest of one with the help of your friends, teachers and parents. Next, there is a step given that how you can make a face mask using an old socks. So please follow these steps and make a cute little mask for yourself. That's all for today. I hope you know the names of the community helpers in your neighborhood now and you are going to respect them all. Keep learning, keep shining. Bye-bye.